What up, squad? J-Bud Key, you know what I'm saying? Man, yesterday I greened out, bro. I might have been scared straight, I ain't gonna lie. So I've been chilling. I missed the games. But we got Bengals versus Giants. We watching them today. Let's get into there, bro. Y'all know who I got. Bengals. Come on, Joe. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Wow. Nigga, Big Joe. Can run good this season, huh? He gone. Joe! If he take this shit all the way, bro, yo! Joe is fucking insane, bro! Oh my God! Right! Right! Gone! What the fuck was the safety doing? Stupid man really could have stopped him. Nigga ran the whole other way.
First down for the Giants. It's been 5 passes, 1 run so far. Little pop pass to Wandale Robinson. They love to use his speedy ways, target him a lot. Nice gain for Robinson.
That big boy was not gonna let him get away.
3rd and 2, Bengals just bring 4.
Smack! Good hit. What the fuck? Supposed to bring him down. Sack. Nope. Okay. Damn. Damn. These niggas want to win, don't they? Can't believe Bengals is 1-4. That's good hit. Hit. Take it home. He ain't taking that shit home. That was a hard ass hit, though.
B.J. Hill was inside, putting the heat on the quarterback, and the ex-Giant may have forced the Giants' turnover.
They're so good. They're so
terrific performance by the U.S. Women's National Team.
First, good hit.
Is another first down. Chase Brown brings it right out. He's the one listening to Shane Bowen, the first-year Giants defensive coordinator. On the ground, Zach Moss, the former Colt, met by Okereke and Drew Phillips.
Yeah, they're not letting that nigga go.
South of the Mason-Dixon line. Both great places, though. There's Burns. He's got
God damn, bro.
3rd and 8.
Get him back. Get him back.
Jones throws.
Still hit his ass. Hell no, you ain't catching that. Nigga think he me.
Superpowers, unquote.
Good throw.
Throws complete to Higgins.
Get the fuck up off me, little man. I said what I tell you to do. Okay, he still held on to that. Damn. Good fake. Good. Fuck. I don't know if that was a good throw or a bad catch. I mean, a bad throw or a bad catch. Sack that nigga right there. Your ass don't fucking listen, boy.
Giants get the ball to start the second half. Down to 35 here in this first half as Burrow is brought down. Ojolari is having a half. Hill excited to play against the team that drafted him and traded him. Jones with a flag down.
Smack. Good. As long as these niggas don't score, y'all still chilling. Good D. On 4th and 2, too. Move, chicken man. Come on, let's get another TD. Why not? Ooh, fuck. I don't even blame, bro. Big ass nigga hit him dead in the head. Put her head to sleep.
On the other side matches Daboll's play call.
No lie.
Pressure up the middle. Tracy looking for space.
What the fuck? Good tackle, bro. This shit is all defense. God damn. Going for it? I would too. Not if I'm the Giants though. Get your ass there. Oh, first. That nigga Tracy, boy. He cool. Suplex. He's really just trying to pick him up. 22. Smack. What the fuck? But this Tracy nigga is good. Cuz slippery. It's no fucking way, son. Okay. Flag on who? He got injured? Damn. They done finally scored. Who was that, Tracy? Tyrone Tracy Jr. Of course that nigga named Tyrone.
Watch Bellinger coming right here. This is where the collision's going to take place. Pratt's the best for the Bengals. Tried to hold up, just could not. I'm going to tell you, that is one gutsy drive by Brian Daboll.
Hood.
23 plays in this quarter. 20.
Look at him checking.
Burrow looked that way. Everything's covered. Burrow straight putting it up towards Chase. Who makes the catch.
Good shit, Jamar.
From slot, marking at the 37-yard line.
Hey, y'all been watching that football show? The receiver, that's what it's called. But I watched QB. I watched quarterback a while ago. When it first came out. And then I just saw receiver came out. I'm like, what? Gotta watch that. Hey, tell me why that nigga George Kittle is actually like super cool. Like, y'all know how I always say, like, he just looks so cool. Like, I just fuck with George for some reason. But he really a cool dude. He really shows his personality on the field a lot more than I thought. Yep. Yep. I didn't even get excited for that. I knew exactly what was about to. Oh shit, he juked the fuck. Come on, Joe. What? Oh my god, if he threw that big nigga up off of him, I swear on me I was gonna start screaming, bro. Real shit, homer. That's easy, man. That's what you get paid to do. But yeah, that receiver shit is hard. I ain't watched it all though. I think I'm on episode 2. Smack. Good hit. Don't let him get first. You don't fucking listen. That's your damn problem, 55. That's why you ain't never gonna be shit. Come on, sack. What the hell is going on? Ooh, what the fuck is... Where am I looking? I don't even know what the fuck just happened. He get paid to do... That nigga gets paid to kick, and he missed the first kick of his game. Man, some niggas just don't want it. Give me that trigger. Look, get the hell up off me. Look, he... Get off of me. They holding that nigga down like he a goddamn Cyclops. Hey, trying to sort of... What the fuck was that, my dude?
Giants down 3, take over at their 11. Daniel Jones, first throw is complete.
Good hit. Good throw. That was beautiful. I love that physicality. Real shit, homie. Don't let them kick shit again. They're not gonna miss twice. Maybe they will though. Not first. Not first. Bro, somebody put that boy to sleep. The hell? Y'all niggas don't want to win? Win. 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 Come on, Big Joe. Throw that thing. Good catch, boy.
On the sideline,
Andre Yosivas.
First down.
First time for me.
Giants one timeout and the 2-minute warning. Pitch, Brown.
Oh, boy. Let's go. He got,
Before Flock can get a hand on.
boy.
Oh, brother. Look at that number right there.
What? 1 in 166 record all time when scoring 10 or fewer points. The only win was 10-7 at Browns in 77. What the fuck? That's bro. Like, actually look at that shit and think about it. 1 in 166 is their record all time. Nah, this team is cursed.
Second and 3.
He gone. He in. He on. Chase Brown. All right, then, Antoine.
So many good blocks. We're going to start right up front there with the center, Ted Karras.
Good block.
Really
Great
nice
block.
job on
He
the
gone.
Chase Brown. The
He in.
efficiency showed
He
there
on.
is what he's been doing all night.
He slapped the
This
shit out that
Giants
nigga.
defense just fought and fought and fought.
Phew.
Finally had
Imagine he let go of the ball right there. Look. Chase, you're fired. Smack his ass. Good block. Or swat. Shit, this might be game for real.
At the 41, Jones throws to Wandale Robinson, who slides down. There off the edge is Slayton's got it.
What the hell is... There you go. Oh, shit.
But he's inbounds. And now you do think about
And I'm reaping. Well, so okay.
27-yard
Hell, cat.
Jones going to clock it here. 55 seconds.
Love Kendrick, boy.
So here is Joseph from 45.
He gets paid money to do that. That was their only chance. It was that and the onside kick, and that was their only shot. They're firing the fuck out that kicker, boy.
what it was going to look like. Big difference.
Giants fans, do y'all want him
Allowing single digits for
kick
the first time
off the team?
in 76
Has allowed 10
games,
plus
and
points in
that's
75
the
straight
first streak in the
games.
NFL of a defense giving up double digits. So that makes it an even happier homecoming for Anarumo. And the
That is insane, bro. How the fuck is your... Bro, that is insane. That's crazy. Watching the Cowboys get some Lions better than this game. Huh. 6 ass is insane. Nobody gonna talk about the Giants kicker. That's what I was looking for. He get a pink slip. What kicker? Hood. He gonna get the kick. Hood. He say boot, but I say kick. Has not been fired together. Wait, what? He has not been fired together with a QB. The question mark. He has not been fired together with a QB? Joe Burrow out there running like Bobby Douglas or something on that first TD. I don't know who that is, but hood. Alright. Like the video if y'all liked it. Subscribe if you fuck with the vibe. Comment down below what you think, because that's most important. You see? I don't know. Gone.